What's up, guys? Welcome to another outing with me, the Bassinator. I am here at Bronkhorstspruit Dam to do the outcasts leg 5 round, and yeah, it's not looking too good. It's raining. There's thunder and lightning. We're hoping that it passes, so we're going to see that now in the morning, and we will take it from there and see if it's actually going to be worth fishing. But yeah, let's see how the day goes. I will see you guys on the water. So guys, I'm on the water now, and yeah, we've got about 20 or so odd anglers. Confirm on that number, Nana. And yeah, the weather wasn't looking good. We were going to cancel, and then it cleared up a little bit. The wind calmed down, so we've decided to carry on with the comp. We're going to keep an eye on it. If the weather does get bad, we are going to call it and everyone will come off the water. But yeah, so far I think it'll go alright. If it stays like this, we'll be fine. If it gets worse, then we'll make the call. Yeah, so carry on watching. Hopefully we can turn this into a good video, although we have bad weather. Let's see how it goes. Peace. Barely hooked. That's one fishy. One fishy for Nuna. On a Ned rig. So guys, I'm off the water, getting the gazebo set up and everything for prize giving. The guys still have an hour to fish, and then they're going to come start weighing in. The wind has picked up again, so it has turned out to be a bit rough. But yeah, let's see how the prize giving goes and see who is the winner. See you in a bit. Guys, I want to thank everybody for coming. Even though we had horrible weather, you guys all came. So you guys really made me proud. So thanks a lot. If I could give a prize to everyone, I would. But it didn't work out that way. Okay, I want to first of all say thank you to all our sponsors. I want to thank Herman for going. He was my minion this week, and I didn't even ask him to do it. He went to collect all the stuff from STB. He organized these Shimano shirts and earrings and some of the crankbaits and stuff. So thanks a lot for organizing that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Obviously, thanks to owners for doing the trophies. Who else? Everybody, everyone that sponsored, that contributed to the outcasts. Thank you very, very, very much. Okay, so obviously you guys know first place is getting the new STB box from Raymond. He's been supporting also every comp this season, and these boxes are worth what, $500 I think it is, the pro one. So thanks for that, and yeah, thanks for all the sponsors. Let's get started. So first of all, I want to give the junior, the only junior that came, and she comes to all of them, so she deserves what she's getting.
Yeah.
Give me an handshake. Where's the camera? Let's look at the camera over there.
Well done.
Okay, we had a bit of bad luck with some of the guys, and I apologize. I'm really sorry, but I have to stick to rules. Rowan and Cameron, I'm really sorry, but you guys gotta know, comps, you gotta be back in time. As soon as you want to get towed, or you use your petrol motor on an event like that, they DQ you guys. You guys did try, you just didn't make it. I'm really sorry. You would have been probably second. Put it that way. All right, let's get to fifth place. Fifth place with the 2.88, Sean Hilty.
Yeah.
Fourth place, 3.08 kilo bag, Trevor.
Yeah. Some big bag, boys.
Okay, third place with a bag of 3.35, Francis.
Yeah, well done. Well done.
Smallest fish.
It's arm wrestle, bro.
Brendan.
Yes.
Well done, dude.
Well done,
Catch the
bud.
smallest fish on.
Got a jerk bait.
Biggest fish. We all know who it is with a 1.96. Jean de Tilly.
Yeah, well done.
Captain America.
There we go. This is Jersey and a shirt.
Well done.
How did your day go? How did you catch a big fish with?
One of the big fish came off a stretch 40, TC came off a charge use tail, the other one came off a jerkbait.
Well done.
Well done. All right, second place with a bag of 3.56. Black Label, I mean Bobby.
Hey, well done.
It's not in my hand, it's yeah. Hanging.
Well done.
How did your day go? What did you catch on?
Baby brush hog and Soboko. Purple. Everything was purple.
Awesome.
Well done.
Okay, and the winner. Who's the winner? I don't even know who this guy is.
Drum roll.
The winner with a 4.65 kilo bag, Jean Dutorre.
Just too well done.
Cool, guys. Once again, thanks for coming in this crap weather. Really appreciate it. The next comp we're doing in December, it's going to be more of a social. So I'm still trying to see how I'm going to do it, but I'll let you guys know. Hopefully we can get most of the outcast guys there. It would be nice to have everyone there and almost have a social, a braai. So I don't know if we're going to do it on boats. We might do like a club comp thing where we fish off the sides or something, but I'll let you know. Yeah, thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe.
Sweet. Well done.
So guys, as you saw, that was the final result. Pretty cool, really nice bags, and yeah, hopefully I got some good footage out of there. I actually have to see how it all came out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed all that, and yeah, if you smoked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace.
Cause caught in the crossfire.